Hello everyone and welcome back to another one of my YouTube videos. Today we're in the Luca. We are actually at a car show today, so hopefully we'll see some pretty good stuff. It's going to be good to be back at another car show. Been a long time, so let's go into the car show and see what it's like. Okay, so we're now officially in the show, and the first thing that catches my attention was, well, the first thing that did was this green goddess. Yeah, ground clearance 1E. Oh, huge. How about he gives you in a shot? Lovely. Again, with the Ferguson tractor just here, and then enough of Bedford fire engine. Not a green goddess in this one, but nonetheless, very nice. And got a load of Ford here, so huge area. Very nice and fan over there. Not been to this one before, so. Many Fords. But my attention, I think, is more to the American stuff just over here. Lovely limousine. And over here, there's quite a few MGs. There we go. Got up close to some cars. Let's take a look around here. Human Owners Club. Quite like Mustang here. A few more Capri's. Lucky Mustang right now. We're all trying to show as much as you can off the show. Lovely greenish, yeah, I mean they're all quite nice, but the green one really pops. And you can try Dolomites. Yeah. Track car just there. And there's some minis. 48 i4. Yes. Yeah. I get a bit confused at times. I know what I mean though. Nice Minor. I can see I thought I recognised this one. Been down the Roman road just a few times. I'll show you the interior of this car here. Not too bad. Look at BMWs just here. A few roads over there. And that is huge, look at that. And that is quite nice here. The NYPD cop car. It's very nice, it is. They're quite rare now, the Mode Rover convertibles. Quite a few old Volvos along here as well. Getting quite rare, a lot of them now. Still waiting to see my thumbnail, not seeing it yet, but when I do, I should take a photo of that. Got a little phone in front of this, don't know if you've been seeing that, but lovely little limousine Rover. Some more Triumphs. Lovely Jag. What's that, a Daimler? Oh no, that's a Daimler, that one. Only thing different on them, I believe, was just the badge in them. A lot of Morris's along here. Oh, I'll show you that later. Got his sharp trailer.
Yeah, go on.
Nice Cobra. Very nice cars, them. Very nice. Ford Sierra. Oh, managed to found my cover photo. Dave managed to find my cover photo. Yep, it's got the receipts in this one. Very nice. 560 as well. Very rare car. Show you the front as well. Very nice. One last look. Very nice. The only thing I've changed is the headlights back to the factory ones, but apart from that, superb motor. Very nice. Here's some marinas. For all the marina families out there. I don't know how I'm going to play this off. I don't know if I'm going to do it in 2 parts. Let's see what happens. Quite a few cars. We'll have I think, get on each line by. Quite a few more cars along here. Oh. Bombard, just over here.
Yes.
Yes, along there. A few little Michael cars. And down from here, so you see a few more down here. There you go. Oh, look at this little 190 just here. Oh no, it's not a sport line. I'm pretty sure. Nope, it's not a sport line. She's got a sport line badge on the back. Very nice though, at least actually saw a 190 here. Lovely Jaguar just here as well. One, two, three. Very purple, pinky guy, pink Beetle. Benji's, Stags. Quite a common classic car load, Stags. Actually big old force on the back. Yes. Oh, my attention's been drawn to another 190. They've also got blown card as well on the driver's side. I've been a fan of that creamy beige you colour though. Apart from that, it's not too bad. Now here's your real popular classic Ford, the Ford Anglia. Very nice. Quite a few more along here, so I'll show you that one later on. Now that's quite rare now, GT5. I'm not sure if that's a turbo one, but it's GT5. Look at me for the turbo down there. Very nice. On to an old Mercedes taxi, is it a 190? I think this also may be a Roman Roadster's car, possibly. But East Coast Thrift Shows at minimum, so again, same area. I do think that is a car I've seen before. It's their room in the engine room, because there's a lot of room in there, I know, isn't there? Very good idea. Hugo.
Yeah, what going on? Buster? Yeah, we're there. If you look online, that isn't on the roads in
I'm not sure how well the battery's doing on this. I think the battery's run out pretty quick, so I definitely need to get some more batteries. I've only got 2. But I do have my other camera for backup, so I may have to possibly use that if needed. A Rosalie Mini, oh, and a Riley, so Riley. I know Rosalie and the office did in the film. See how it's Cosworth, quite rare cars now, the old whale tails. That's nice, it's got, I can show you that. Very nice. But this R107, probably a bit more to my taste. I might take a photo of this as well. Lovely 80s interior, very common of the decade. Having the Caro interior like that, I think that's what they called it, the Caro. Now these Honda CRXs, they were in pretty much in every boy racing game you get Need for Speed Underground. I think these are the most common to be used in. They say so, definitely deserves a few pictures. That might be another contender. And this is nice as well. Anyone old enough or even watch it will know what the TV show this is from. Leave it in the comments if you know. That should be hint enough. Old Tranicam. Again, leave in the comments if you know what this design is from. What TV show or film actually. Still doing pretty good on battery. Definitely still need to get some more batteries though, for sure. One thing I might do is get up to the lorry trailer and call that part 1. This is going to be quite a long while, I think. Lovely vehicles along here as well.
Yeah, we think 57, so what's that?
Front end 190, missing its turn cap cover, do you notice? I also noticed there's some Triumph Herald, is it Herald? That's a trailer to match as well. It's a Herald, yeah, that was right. Yeah, so we've got a trailer to match. That's cool, that is. I like that. Not sure now, it's Chrysler. No, it's not. Is it? No, it's a Ford. I was looking at the thing on the front. That's nice. I guess next to the Ford Anglia over here. One of the most iconic Fords, I think, of all time, near enough. VW Carmen. Another Anglia. Escorts along here. Toyota Celica. That's the other one. That's the blue one with the big pipe. Nice little Corvette there, 90s. Nice Jag, just here. Just noticed it's going up 190. I showed you everyone. You can make a stone cat cover. Lovely little Fiesta. Is that a Mark II Fiesta, I believe? Vauxhall Felix. Controls, Triumph, Jag, very nice, E-Type. Land Rover. That they seem beautiful. They featured in one of my videos before. Possibly, I'm not too sure. Pretty cinema, if it's not.
It's actually, I think I'll get about 8 miles to the tank more now.
Lovely Porsche.
About 6 grumbling around. They sound ratty, but they sound good.
A lot of escorts in attendance today. VW camper. GTI. Go. We are small neat little Fiat. Very small cars. An awful lovely Mustang right here. Nice, nice. Only some Jaguar alarms going off. And actually sound like a Mustang, that one. The Mustang we just looked at. Okay, so yeah, that'd be the end of this part. So I hope you enjoyed. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. So if you like and subscribe, help to see this channel to grow. I'm going to do part 2 straight after this part. Just leave you a little hint what you're going to see in next week's videos. We'll start in that direction from that line on. So once again, if you've been on the drive, hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe and comment, and I'll see you in the next one.